Cooking General. Oh man, you know what? We had somebody say, man, lasagna. And then I like lasagna, I didn't know which one to do. You know, I know about 50 lasagna recipes. But then I said I'm gonna go around the world and cook some stuff. So let's kind of do an Italian lasagna. But then again, I kind of like that spicy Mexican lasagna. So you know what I did? I'm combining both up. That's what I do. The Cooking General. Ask somebody. Come on, let me show you what you put in there. Okay, you're gonna have some Italian sausage. You got your ground meat right here. Spank it. You got 2 packs of taco season. You got your mozzarella cheese. You got your Mexican cheese. Now you got your noodles. Now you're gonna get some Cummins or Cubans or whatever they call it. And then you're gonna have cheddar cheese and cheddar cheese. I can't pronounce this stuff. But anyway, we got some tomato sauce. We got some corn nibblers. We got some black beans. And we got some hot Ranero tomatoes. But it calls for green chilies. But we're going to go hot with this because it's Spanish. You know what I'm saying? Boy, you talking about it going to be good, man. This is it. This is a combination. Let's do it. Hey, so what you going to do? You going to roll with me? You going to roll with the Cooking General? Let's ride then. Let's ride it out.
Are you looking in the cookbook?
No. Cooking General, welcome back to the Cooking General, y'all. Let's get this here going. Oh, man, I can cook anything. Now, check it out. Now, we got our ricotta cheese with our, oh, man, we got our ricotta cheese. We got our college cheese. We got our rotel. We're going to mix that in. And then I'm also add a couple of eggs, y'all. You want to put a couple of eggs off in there. We're going to mix this up real good here. Okay, I'm going to get that mixed up. Check out over here. Over here, you're going to sprinkle a little of this here common. This is one of the videos I just cannot pronounce none of these names. So y'all got to kind of bear with me on that stuff. Okay, now we're going to add some corn. We're going to add our black beans. And we're finna add our tomato sauce. Now, I'm only going to use 1 pack of taco seasoning right now because I want to see how it's going to be. And if I need some more, I got another one. That's why I always tell you to get 2. And we're going to stir this in. Now, while I got that going, I got my noodles over here. They are boiling. They boiling off the mix. Whew. So y'all get ready to come back. I'm going to put this lasagna together, man. I'm telling you, this Italian Spanish lasagna, it's gonna be good. I'm telling you. Cookbook my ass. You better ask somebody.
Cooking General, you ain't drinking no Bush.
They Sunday. It's too hard to get beer. All right, come on. Let me show you how we do this here. All right. You want to get your noodles off in there. You get them there. Now you see I got this all simmering. That's the corn. I had the black beans. I had the sausage, the Italian sausage. I got the ground meat. Now we're going to stack this on here. You want to stack you a good amount on there. You know, we're going to bake this here. We're going to stack it on there like that there. You put it on there good, man. You talking about this is going to be a hell of a lasagna. I know it's going to weigh about a pound because I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep it real. I'm going to keep it heavy. Okay, you want to stack your layer like that there. And get it stacked pretty good. Now, that's your collard cheese and your ricotta cheese. This is what your egg and stuff in. Then you want to try to coat that like that there on there. Like that. Put your nice good coating on there like that. Because we're going to go 3 layers high. Alright. Now, what you want to do now is you repeat. And we're going to keep on doing this here. Man, you talking about it going to be a good lasagna. It's going to be on now. Cooking General, you know I know what I'm doing.
Cooking General, you looking for that cookbook?
Oh no, you better ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General. Now, I baked this about 30 to 35 minutes. Now you want to go ahead and go and start adding your cheese on top of it. And we're going to put it back in until the cheese gets melted. Maybe about 10, 15 minutes. And you put your cheese all on it. Now this is mozzarella jack and this is Mexican cheese. So you can use your favorite cheese, whatever you want to use, but we're going to stuff this book with a lot of cheese on top of it. Man. All right. Let's get all that out of there. Yeah, make sure you get it all. Now, put this back in the oven and let it go for about another 10 to 15 minutes. Boy, this Italian Mexican lasagna, it's going to be good. Woo!
Cooking General, what you got in this drawer?
Don't worry about it. You better ask somebody. Well, we finished. Welcome back to the Cooking General. Check this out, man. This Italian Mexican lasagna. It's off the chain, brother, that cheese. Man, you let it set for a few minutes, you know what I'm saying? Let it cool down. And then you want to serve with a little garlic bread. Look how like crispy that looks. Man, I got that from the bargain bin too. Man, I'm trying to tell y'all. Man, I got a lot of recipes coming up. Man, I got 2. If y'all like spicy food, I got 2 really spicy foods coming up later on. I got about 8 more egg videos to do. And I got a gumbo coming up, man. And I got to be on that barbecue pit too. So, man, y'all keep checking back with the Cooking General. I'm telling y'all. All right, y'all have a nice day.
Let me see what he got in this drawer.
You better ask somebody.